I'm going to show you how to change your country or region in Instagram. This only works for professional business accounts. Assuming you have a personal account, go to your profile and tap Edit Profile. Scroll down and select Switch to Professional Account. When prompted, tap Continue through the introduction screens, which provide an overview of professional account features. Next, select the category that best describes you. It's essential to choose business as your account type, as this option allows you to add a business address, which is where you'll set your new country or region. Once you're in the contact options section, fill in your information and under business address, enter your new region or country. Ensure that you've enabled display contact info so it's visible on your profile. This will update your location to reflect your new region or country.